So this is it, Airfix's 1/72nd scale Blackburn Buccaneer model kit. Airfix offers the S.2C variant and the S.2B. The S.2C is the Royal Navy version and the S.2B is the one used by the RAF. The one shown in this particular video is the Royal Navy S.2C variant of the Buccaneer. Let's first off get into the history of the Blackburn Buccaneer. The Blackburn Buccaneer was a Cold War carrier-borne and overland strike jet, designed specifically for low-level operations. The Buccaneer was developed to meet the RAF's needs for a strike aircraft that could combat Soviet radar systems. Blackburn's team got the requirements in 1953 and, after 5 long years, it was released in 1958. As per usual, Airfix have done a brilliant job of recreating the iconic warbird of the Buccaneer. I often find myself subconsciously admiring the curves and structural beauty of the model. I had very little issues with the kit as it contained little to no flash on parts and only a minor amount of filler was needed. The decals were excellent with no silvering and they were contouring nicely to the panel lines without the need of decal solutions. The model requires a 15-gram nose weight, a fairly substantial amount when Airfix wants it in the very confined nose cone. I ended up putting a little in the nose and quite a few 2-penny coins just behind the cockpit. This worked well, but it is making the front gear collapse a little. The kit comes with a fair share of ordnance, 2 pilots, and the option to have the air brake extended or retracted. The kit also offers 2 decal schemes, XV154 from HMS Ark Royal and XV336 of HMS Eagle. The one featured in my kit is from HMS Royal. The paints used are as shown on screen, with more being needed if wanting to complete the kit to a higher specification than listed. This kit has brilliant amounts of detail for 1/72nd, but still has lots of areas for scratch building parts. My final verdict is that this kit is a definite must-have, whilst the price tag of £28.99 Great British Pounds is a little steep for 1/72, the detail and final result is definitely above average. The option of having the wings raised or lowered is another nice addition by the Airfix team. So that is the end of this video. I thoroughly enjoyed making the kit and would recommend it to anyone above the intermediate skill level. If you did enjoy this video, please consider liking, and of course if you want to show the support and ensure more videos follow on the channel, please consider subscribing. A final quick thing to mention is that I have a Scale Model Community Discord server. We are currently on 323 members and we would love to see it grow further. If you'd like to come check it out and join in the fun, you might learn some new things and of course share your creations, then consider joining with the link in the description. So that is the end of this one. This is Dom signing off and I'll catch you all on the Discord server and in the comments. See you all.